So that is the area that should be flattened here. And for that I will use the terrain, and there's the plateau tool, and I would like to first add a new plateau. So if I do that, I need to click on the terrain itself and then draw this area around. But now we are lucky enough not to have to do that, but instead of that we can actually select an existing item. That existing item is the hatch here that we can use. So I just click on select an item and I click there, and the software recognized the contour of the hatch. This is literally like a hatch. If you, some of them out there, you are more familiar with these terms, but they call it fills in other software, which is filling the area with some certain pattern. So that's what I did. I selected this pattern, and then now I need to set up the level line, the elevation of this flat ground, and for that I will actually use this value here. That was decided to be 134.6 above sea level, and enter. And then at the next step I need to set up what will be the inclination of this side.
For all the sides, right?
For all the sides. Now we are certain that this is not 100% overlapping the terrain, but instead of that, somewhere it will be raised above the terrain and somewhere it will be cut into the terrain. So when I instruct the software to use 45-degree angle for this cut, then this is what will happen. The software either cuts it into the ground in 45-degree angle, or sometimes it will actually extend the terrain with the necessary amount of soil or whatever happens below this plateau.
Yes, but on this side I'm pretty sure that it's not going to be 45 degrees.
Yes, in this case we need to build up a wall over there, a vertical wall. So in cases like this, you can actually go back to the 2D, or this can be done as well in the 3D, and then when you click on that side, this is one of them which I would like to turn vertical. So I right click here, I find the terrain using this jump menu here, and then here I can find modify slope on this side. And then now the slope itself is 45-degree angle. So I need to go back to 0. 0 in this case means vertical. So I click on OK, and then I click on
So you just have to select the size which you need to modify, and then just
click
add the 0 value, hit enter. And
okay, so this step I repeat as much as I need, and when I'm done, I just hit enter, so the software creates the new cut, and then that's what I end up with.